That show you say Bunty have real energy and Bunty sense real energy.
Definitely.
And real talent. And to see an artist of such caliber, you know. A Bunty killer, you know,
yes,
brother.
sir.
You know much little pissy tail. I say, yo, I could do some work
And them now look on you.
And Bunty killer. Without a dollar. Yeah, brother, I tell you what, some man if you get them priorities straight, man, they don't know what near killer levels
For
near.
real, man. And a hype.
And a hype, and them man they look for me and say, you you're bad. That's why so much artists bust. That's why dancehall is what it is today. And me hear them story there, but for witness it first and
For real,
you got
man.
one thing. You know the thing, bro.
Every time. Killer big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
Boss whole heap of artists not the thing.
And still I do it.
And still I do it. What up, peeps? Welcome to another episode of Next Friday. And right now, we're inside Consequence Studio. And who will come back up? I'm Maestro Don. What go on with Dan?
Nearby my fam.
Yes,
Fam
sir.
running.
All things in real life, brother. What go on?
In a real life, I just music. It has always been music, still
Yeah.
music, and forever will be music.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that I go on in a real life.
But with everything we are going right now still, no only for traveling and show and thing. I just straight recording, straight studio vibes.
And there's more to it for me, you know. I can't really talk about nobody else, but I can
Yeah.
talk about myself. So obviously COVID slowed down majority of the world,
Yeah, man.
and most artists has been impacted. Me are one of them way it affect, but it affect me in a positive way, you understand? So me not have nothing bad to
Some
say.
positive off go on.
Yeah, cause this whole COVID thing, it make more people at home and streaming turn up, and I've always had a presence where internet is concerned.
Right.
So COVID helped me to capitalize on all of that, and had the most progress since.
So you say streaming gone up.
Yeah, streaming gone up big time and more networking, because I think that was where I was, you know, like my fall short with networking.
Right.
Because me is an introvert, you know, most people don't believe it. I'm a shy, I really like talk to people, but
Okay.
COVID make me have to go reason with people. I gotta stay home and boring, so
And yeah.
black, you know, and it a work in my favor.
Yeah, man.
Long story short.
Yeah, man. Wait, you said the streaming up and thing though. Any particular song that you see people gravitating towards
Yeah, man.
more than the ordinary?
Definitely.
Which one?
Since the start of COVID, we have a collaboration with Bunty Killer,
Yeah.
Pioneer. Young Dan, Riches, Ground God Great and a Guinness. You understand?
Yeah.
Big up Bunty Killer,
Warlord.
5-star general for that. You
Said
understand?
speed.
So that song, it is actually featured on an album, a compilation of artists, several artists, various artists. And
Right.
the song with me and Bunty Killer made that album, and that album is currently #1 on Amazon Music chart.
See it there?
I think number 13 in Russia. Our next place. The album is called Miunga Ya Muziki, you understand, by Beat Bapa. So
Yo, I wish language that.
African, it's African, you understand?
if you not get it yet, then go on and get the thing.
Yeah,
Purchase the thing, man.
You have artists like Gucci Mane on the same album, Sean Kingston,
Yeah.
Black Hero, so you know them
Major
them-
thing, man.
yeah,
International thing.
Big time. So that are just one of the things them on the song currently right now that's buzzing for me. It's a collaboration again with Yani, a bad vocalist.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
entitled Senorita. Me said that body they a leader. From me see you the first time, me I forget you. Yeah man, the ladies them love that, and
See it there?
me see increase in my female fan base since that song.
Yeah.
I want to tell you say that inspire album strictly for my woman. Then.
So you do an album just for the woman.
Just
them.
for the woman. Then. Yeah.
So when what time frame you looking at in terms of on that album?
We really do some fine tuning. All of the songs them done record already.
Right.
We come up with a name. The album is called Dysfunctional, where relationship is concerned. So do the maths.
Basically, only people can identify with that.
And trust me, I thought the things them and messaging it, and everybody ever can relate. Man, woman, everybody. From in a relationship you can relate. From your human you can relate.
So not forget about part of that are probably your experience.
Personal experience and people in my surroundings experience.
Yeah, man.
Bad piece or something. Good piece or something.
So any idea when you will release this album though?
What we there now? March.
Yeah.
Definitely before the summer. Cause we do some fine tuning. We're doing like listening sessions with selective people from the entertainment industry and take them advice.
Yeah, man, you have to test the waters first, you know.
And we are working on the album art them and them things. But definitely before summer.
Why?
Strictly.
I want to say how for people look forward to summer, you know, because we all just lock up for all long.
Summer.
And it look like say we might can have a little summer. A little summer fun.
It kinda look promising still, me not lie, but whether them free it up or not, music shall live on. And
yes, man.
you see most of the industry them get crippled and are just music.
Yeah.
You understand? Entertainment, not even sports as much as entertainment. So what is life without music, bro?
Real talk. What are some of the other songs you have currently out now are working on?
You have a song that's buzzing the whole of New York and them places. It actually I get more support in America in the tri-state area.
Yeah.
More than Jamaica. It's a song called Ride It with me and Starface.
Yeah.
Just make a millionaire. Girl them just love off the kid, you know. Pop a pill in her liquor she wild out. Yeah, you understand that song there?
Yeah, man.
I one of my biggest song thus far in my career.
Right.
It go on good overseas like at 97 and them place they play. Them I play Pioneer as well. Senorita local so far. You understand? We just released a single with Jahvillani entitled Dutty Money. Consequence production. Teino and right direction.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
All-Star Squad.
Alright, I tell you.
Yes, sir. So in terms of promotion though, because my figure say when the place free up, probably I'll fly out for a couple of weeks
when the place.
Yes, man, we have to talk positive and talk the thing into being. We're not in the lockdown thing forever, man. We can't manage that.
When the place free up, I fly out and them things.
Yeah.
I want to tell you, say, in the time when COVID dropped,
yeah,
it did kind of slow down some things, but then, you know, me not really question nothing.
But look so like some things it's supposed to go on.
Yeah, in the trust me, man, we'd actually have a promotional tour for Canada.
Starface,
we'd have to do that, and then we'd have 2 little club appearances and them things, but experience nonetheless.
Yes,
and we'd have travel and get for promote yourself, and here comes COVID. But me not really worry over spill milk.
Yeah, just have to move forward.
And because I never worry over it, I just move forward, and that gave me more opportunities. That is why I can say COVID has been more of an advantage for me than a disadvantage.
Yeah, man. For real, man. Well, as you talk about, you know, you're supposed to have a promotional tour of Canada. I'd imagine, looking to the future, something like that might line up back again.
Definitely, man, that even might line up because people still are linked with, you know, remember, nobody not dead from COVID really, you know, so the same promoter, them, everybody alive.
Them just a wait.
And then, at the time when them did a link me, what they saw in my career, progress did it. So the link still there and them are still want me there. And
yeah, because even greater works go on since that time there, so.
That's sure, man, and once the thing free up, we out.
Yeah.
Definitely, me not ask, we out.
So, hold on there now. We're going for the vaccine because you know, so that's probably part of the thing if you want to fly out. What your mindset there for now where that is concerned?
Alright, me is a man most people don't know, you know. Some would have categorized me as the people that were in a conspiracy theory. We're pretty deeper than the average person. I see some things where I'm not comfortable with what I hear and come up. Me personally, listen me now, COVID, people don't take it serious and wearing a mask and sanitize and be safe.
Yeah.
But my opinion that will be shared right now is not necessarily the same opinion shared by anybody. So
disclaimer, not next Friday's opinion.
Alright. Me don't believe in this vaccine. I've done my own research. I never really go deep, but the basis of it is a vaccine never in the history of life has been developed in such a short period of time. You understand?
Fair enough.
Boom now. Them say whole heap of things on my question and basically them a contradict themselves in enough scenarios. I don't really want to go deep enough. But me just don't really believe in them things. And I see some headlines where them say the politicians not really take it. I don't know if I yet. And then the first thing that's another red flag is you gonna tell me say we can sue the place where supply this vaccine. I better you keep that to yourself, you understand? But the fact that you gonna put that out there before the vaccine even arrive, you try to tell me say you know what is to come and what if side effects and whatever I got. And you just tell me say, yeah man, from now you can't sue, so 3 years down the line, 4 years down the line, when this happen, you did don't know what you sign up for. Just hold it. I'm not depend that. I feel like believe in a new world order and them something real. There was a point in time in life, I'm tell them I do my research.
Yeah.
Them go some rural place. I don't want to tell no lie. And them tell them about vaccine. And them actually inject the people with syphilis. So them track record not really good.
Yeah. But I mean the vaccine itself has to be a strain of whatever the virus is it's actually supposed to try to fight, Too quick.
When you take it before me and me see what I'm doing 2 years down the line, me give myself a 2 year ban.
You can't wait 2 years for go fly and go do a tour,
man.
We say you go and wear the online angle and local.
Me go do my farming and them something. I don't have to worry about that. When Missy said safe, me go do it. But these are my opinion, people.
Yeah, man.
You don't have to follow me. You can go take it if you believe and maybe I'm wrong. It's just my opinion.
Who knows? 2 years time we'll find out.
2 years time we'll find out.
But Maestro, you talk about farming a while ago though. You actually do like little things on the side, outside of music.
Not really, I'm a mother actually tell me say that I'm good. She always say have plan B and now put all the eggs in one basket.
Yeah man, they know one wise mother that man, what you talk about?
But I'm stubborn and I she me get it from. And my passion is music. I'm not believe I do nothing else if me not like it or if me not love it. So I don't have to feel like me I work. But I mention farming because I'm two sides of family them are country people.
That's only natural. Yeah.
So it's natural, a couple land and red, did it? And
which parish that?
St. Mary, father side, St. Anne in a money, mother side.
Same.
So you don't know the thing. If this revolution thing really start and the world are going to end, and
you know where plan B there.
Go farm a country in some bush.
Yeah man.
That's it.
Working with other entertainers though, because I mean, you mentioned about 3 songs.
With 3 separate.
And a 3 collab. And the 3 of them are do rather well.
Yes.
Them shot.
Them are shot.
You feel that you actually have a natural chemistry, in where collaboration is concerned.
Yeah man, definitely.
You feel it bring up a better energy.
Definitely, because watching me have a natural energy, and I'm talented.
Yeah.
Undeniably. And whoever I collab with, majority of them have a larger fan base and they're more popular than I am. So me have to really up to par and me have to really talented. If you can up with them to make the collab make sense, because them do several other collabs as well and them not really be as let's use the word successful as a collab to them do with me.
See, and that is a sign, you know.
Yeah, so not too
Sure
good,
sign.
man, but I saw the something go on. Who all of whom I work with a natural, genuine chemistry and energy. Because I reach out to a couple of artists, you know, well, you know. Even upcoming artists and some artists were it. Artists are hard to work with.
So when you say hard for it, so like some of them no bother, them not really in the collab thing, them not interested
I
in
even
doing
say
a
no,
collab.
the collab thing, you know, goodly me, them not like, you know, I don't know why it's still, you know. Because, you know, me is a neutral youth.
Yeah.
But me feel like an ego most of the time. And man, you know, them use this levels word and just throw the levels
Right.
Nah, I help no man, or you know, they on my level, or you know, fit for do a
Can't do
collab.
nothing for me.
And most of the time, them intimidated by my presence and my potential and my talent. And a man feel like, say, if him give me a strength, cause naturally him more popular than me, him feel like, say,
Right.
oh, him a go boss and him a go take out. Me can't stop nothing for you, brother. If you're talented and you're good, me can't stop.
Can't stop talent, you know.
Yeah, but all of who me work with, any collaboration we see release with Maestro Don, a genuine, real energy we have.
Yeah.
Enough man are fussy. So I'm just easy myself. Yeah.
But tell me then, how you mentioned 3 collabs. So more tell me how each of those collabs, how they came about.
Alright, the Pioneer when COVID just dropped. Pioneer with Bounty Killer, Maestro Don Bounty Killer. So it's actually we run at the studio. I've been have a connection with Bounty Killer, we buck up in the streets several times.
Right.
It really connect when I did a stage show in Portmore. H2 Complex to be exact. Bounty Killer was present. I'm gonna take the stage. I'm gonna do my thing. I'm gonna step off now and I cut. Remember, Bounty Killer is known as this man where they really talk to nobody and whatever. Me have left. As I left the stage, I exit the venue and the rhythm stop. Nobody now talk. I don't know what. Just total silence. I'm here, Bounty Killer say, Maestro Don! You out here bad! Lord! So the whole venue, no, that for show you how the place quiet. Him there where
right.
So me hear that and I'm my general distilling and music.
Yeah.
So naturally me I go turn back.
Yeah,
I say, what general, cause you don't know how we see, man. We hear say general cross, so me rate you know, but me not go come cross. But when you stay so boom and say that now, me say, yeah, welcome.
Right.
And a genuine energy and general say, yo, your body know you have to come to Kingston. Come do it at Kingston. Start go to Kingston and do some party. General never see me and I yell me, so anyway me see him, me have to yell him. We par. 2 years pass. I just natural something. I get to me and say boom. Me end up at the studio when I'm there and the rhythm I play. And I start vibe out loud.
Yeah.
And I say, but everybody I say, but. Good general I say, yo, collab.
Yeah.
And me first like me, I say, general, you know, me have the idea how you feel long time, very, and sing my part and I say, bad rhythm I play. I just natural vibe. Going at the studio, end product, Pioneer.
Yeah, man.
And the ratings. Because general I really do collab with people and I like.
So how did you feel when him actually welcome the idea now? There the studio rhythm there and him actually entertaining the idea of a collab. Like what flashed through your mind at that point in time?
Like I say, music unpredictable.
Yes, sir.
I didn't really plan. Cause me never think in a million years say
that would have happened.
me that
When
get a
it
collab
happened.
with Bounty Killer just like this, you understand? Cause you don't know. But I just natural vibe and what for happen just happen, yeah man.
Yeah, man.
Trust me man, and I've shown you say Bounty have real energy and Bounty sense real energy.
Definitely.
And real talent. And for see an artist of such caliber, you know. Well, Bounty Killer, you know,
Yes,
brother.
sir.
You know much little pissy tail. I say, yo, make we do some work
And them now look on you.
and Bounty Killer. Without a dollar. Yeah, brother, I tell you what, some man need to get them priorities straight, man. They don't know what near killer levels.
Real, man. And a hype.
And a hype, and them man they look on me and say, you, they're bad. That's why so much artists bust. That's why dancehall is what it is today. And me hear them story there, but for witness it first and
For real.
Big up Monty. No I think.
Every time. Killer big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
Boss holy for artists not the thing.
And still I do it.
And still I do it.
Yeah.
Next collab.
Jahvillani, Dutty Money.
Mm-hmm.
You understand that a consequence and Teino must right direction production.
Mm-hmm.
So me hear the rhythm start vibe the song. Cause the rhythm have a Middle East and a West Indian sound merged together.
Mm-hmm.
You hear the money, you hear the rhythm. Teino must there and him my home one melody. So me start put the words to that melody that I did. Dirty money.
Yeah.
So me clean with the dirty money. Go for money. And when me say dirty and no funny money. So you know put words to feed melody and then in the verse and throughout the song I say young Dan in the town I'm a leader. In a me DM every girl I reach out. Cause I'm playing after me I meds that and him and me melody him go play one next with him and me I said hold on. I could do that one
That's so, yeah. Yeah, feel that one there.
So boom now after we done vibe it out and I said this connect you know but I talk some things I never talked before. But just say we need an artist who popular and have a following and whatever
Right.
to help me capitalize or you know
Push
get the song out
yeah.
because you have a few industry players who say they are gatekeepers. I don't believe in you guys. For some strange reason, as I said, them intimidated
Man,
by
the
my
gate to know.
presence. Them intimidated by my presence.
Yeah.
So may I fair work with people with them rate. Our short term or layman's term, people don't really rate it until who them rate show you some ratings. So anyway, natural thing. Jahvillani is more popular and not only more popular, him easy to work with.
Yeah.
You understand? I have more popular artists who are hard to work with.
Yeah.
I'm easy to work with, genuine connection, genuine vibes. I may say Jahvillani would fit this collaboration, reach out to him through a mutual friend first. And then the link share, I'm linking myself. End product, Dirty Money.
Definitely.
Next collaboration, Senorita. And that
For the
one
ladies.
for the ladies.
Yes, sir.
That a buzz place. Maestro Don and Yani, Senorita. Big up Kev Star Production. A song there. Cause me and Yani have 2 collab before this.
Before that one, yeah. Mm.
But we never release them.
Oh.
We know each other through a mutual friend too. We know of each other before that, you know, but it's a mutual friend
Actually,
connect the thing.
yeah.
So Vice on Kev Star Records, 2 rhythm collaboration, but it's like me record and send Yani and him record and the next one him record and send me and me record. So we all listen to the song them and the both of we come to a conclusion, say yo, we need this, you know.
Yeah.
As 2 upcoming artists, so whatever we do, we have to prove and just get to the point.
Yeah, man.
Kev Star send the rhythm. After I'm sending the rhythm, about 2 months pass or so. And we say, yo, we not do the song unless we do one place together.
Yeah.
Boom, Diane link up. Instantly the chemistry connect.
Yeah,
Them start the melody. Da 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 da. Bad vocalist and a bad singer, you know. And him find him a find and I say, what you think about this? Under the moonlight, she sense me, yeah. So him put in a line there and I said, go on, record, cause JJ was there, record it. And him go around to the studio, record the whole energy we I drink, we I smoke, we I whole vibe, rhythm I play. So him go around at the recording booth, him lay down that part there. So me go around, you know, cause me make him lead, you know. Meaning, I feel him energy now.
Yeah, man.
Or the melody where him go off and me, I don't know where me for go off. So everybody around us expect me to come DJ, because me is a hardcore DJ and a lyricist, some 4 syllable, 3 syllable. So
yeah, man. I'm versatile.
boom, me go around and start sing. I be excitement around here. Yo, true the man a sing, you move like you want to sing and you I say, listen, you know. Me did just feel a song, long story short. And me did just know so me have to come with something different. See,
and it worked.
The woman them love it. Love it. One of my hottest songs to date.
Yeah.
Right now, and people actually have put a name to that song. Them hear a couple of that song for me, but no name or no face no go to it.
So this bring everything together, man.
I love that. Cause we drop it to that video. Yeah, man. Big up Shot and Stunning for the video.
Alright.
Yeah, we need one clean version though. No delete the file, then we need one clean version.
Alright, so 3 boom collab that. One more.
Undeniably, a big song in the tri-state area.
See that?
DNA produced that one up on the trees with him. Me and Starface, Maestro Don and Starface ride it. And fully active rhythm, I should say. Or me I say, no, this sitting for me now. What's up everything in here? Papa pill in the liquor she boil out. Yeah, you know the damn thing, you know. That are the song where we get more support for overseas. New York, New Jersey, Philly, you understand, Pennsylvania, them places we get support for that song they like. But witness it first hand. We go New York. That is a year after the song drop. I mean a party with my brethren them and the song I play. Money pull up. The woman them get busy and nobody knows
them never know say you.
You understand? But if you see it first hand, so you know say a genuine reaction.
Yeah, because you know more time. I see it know say artists there in the crowd them pull up and thing, but
exactly.
You get the one there.
I'm for left
natural
from
vibe.
Portmore and New York but hear my song. Nobody can tell me nothing. And I didn't even like just hear it and see the reaction.
Yeah.
Give me the talk, man.
Hold on there, because me are not artist, you know, but I'm telling you something of people from me and me in that part there, I have to touch piece of mic, you know, I have to, where you know? Because
no, me that,
I'm gonna tell me say it was easy.
Me never go up there still.
Yeah.
Me as a youth, because I'm shy and me as an introvert.
Yeah.
Most people don't know and I'm afraid of embarrassment. So, you know, I get my fair share and then I can select something that when you go there.
Oh.
Them say, yeah man. And
Yeah.
I just soak up the moment, enjoy the moment.
Well, yo, I best in that because next you know, nothing go down and go mash up the whole vibe. So enjoy the moment.
Yeah, man. I just soak up the moment and know, say, we're not going to do the research and know how we for something.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
What's next for Maestro Don?
What's next? Just greatness. I pre myself on a living legendary status, you know, so.
Yeah.
I have an EP. I have 2 EP for release. Diary of a Young Dan, exclusively produced by Consequence Music.
Alright.
The next one, when I stated earlier, Dysfunctional. Consequence exclusively. The single with me and Jahvillani, Dirty Money. We're gonna shoot a video. The video actually shoot already still, so we're gonna release the video real soon.
Okay, so look out for that.
Look out for that.
Man.
And just more singles from Maestro Don and more collaborations. And more collaborations with producers as well. We wanna know popular producers. So just look out for
the track record so far
is a good look.
So
straight.
I have no doubt that you'll continue the good work in the right direction.
Greatness.
Yeah. One thing I never asked you though, as you talk about collab, is there any collab that you would want to do that you have not yet done that you'd love to get a collab there?
Now, one heap of collab me that love to get.
But only one you can get.
Only one.
Yeah, you have to pick the biggest one.
Oh, Drake.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
The man go international.
Yeah, might as well.
Might as well.
Big up Juicy Drake.
Yes, sir. Well, that's a great way to end this week's episode of Next Friday.
Best Friday.
See it there? So, Maestro Don, respect for passing through.
Blessings, my fam.
Yeah, man. It was a decent vibe.
It's an honor to be here.
Tell them, give them his socials and...
Maestro Don Music. Alright, you can check me out on all social media and streaming platforms at Maestro Don Music. That's MAESTRODON MUZIK. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and subscribe to Maestro Don Vivo channel. And subscribe to my audio man. Add me in your Spotify playlist. Follow me on Instagram and just keep up to date. You know, I'll update you from there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
When you're lucky in the thing. So, peeps, there you have it. Another episode of Next Friday. And remember to go share, like, subscribe, ring the bell, do the thing, man, because next Friday are every Friday.
Oh.
We out. Maestro. Yeah, man.
He's out.